Be okay, fam. What's going on? What's going on? Today, we back. We back with another banger. We back with more hits. And look, hey, to be honest with you, these shoes are some of the best shoes that you can buy right now at a reasonable deal. We're gonna showcase two of them. Like I said before, these are some of the best shoes right now that you can find for a deal, man. They just, to be honest with you, I ain't seen one of them in stores, but the other one I've seen in the stores. And look, if y'all know, like I know, I'm tired of paying Jordan prices. Like Jordans, they coming out with different colors, but there's nothing that's grabbing my eyes. If it's not a Jordan 3 or a Jordan 6 or something like that, I'm really not interested in it. And the Jordan 6 is the white with just the blue, or the white with the Oreo white. It's just not there anymore. Like, it's just, the nostalgia for it is just not there no more. And I'm just letting y'all know, if y'all come here looking for like a bunch of Jordans, y'all not gonna get that, man. If y'all coming here look for a bunch of hype stuff, you not gonna get that. What you gonna get is everyday shoes, comfortability, and quality over everything. So if that's what you into and that's what you trying to cop, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hey, and welcome to the Be Okay family. For those of y'all returning, y'all know what it is. Let's get to it and let's get it cracking, baby. So first shoe up to bat we got is a Nike Air Presto. Nike Air Presto. When I tell you this shoe, let's I'm gonna show y'all the box real quick. Show y'all the box tag real quick, because I haven't seen this shoe but in one place. I don't know if it's in other places or anything like that, but I've seen it in one place, and I caught it when they was just restocking. They just got it, not restocking, but they just got their shipment in. So I'm glad I caught it for a reasonable price of $130. You can't go bad with it. Like I said, during the summer months, you want to do other stuff. You don't want to spend $1 million on a pair of shoes that look nice. I'm just saying, I'm just real. I'm just being real with you, man. Y'all, you want to go out of town, you want to relax, and you ain't taking no $1,000 shoes out of town with you. That just don't make sense, man. You keep that shit for home. You keep that stuff. You floss at home, so everybody know who you is. But anyways, this colorway is black, orange, and dusty sage. I go, if you wear a half size, I say go up. If you wear a straight size, like a 10, 11, 12, 9, go with your regular sizes. Some Prestos do come to extra large and small or whatever, like clothing sizes, but that's you have to read the sizes through them. But most Prestos now I'm seeing come in the actual sizes. So this is a size 12, and this is the Nike Air Presto. Bam, 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 bam. Yes, they have been worn. This is a worn shoe, man. Don't get it twisted. I see the little mark on there. This is a worn shoe. This shoe, I think it's called the Nike Shop. On the back, I don't know if y'all can see it very clearly, but I might put a clip in there where you can see it. You got the dusty sage here, if I'm not mistaken. I'm calling it all right. Yup, dusty sage here on the side here. And up in here, like it's giving, the shoe is a great shoe, man. Look, I'm gonna put some pictures up and stuff on it. If you've been on my IG, you probably seen it already. But this shoe is a great shoe. The colorways, man. I like the Nike Air Presto in the front. It just gives me old school vibes. It gives me just a real good vibe of this shoe, man. And this is a shoe that you can't go wrong with, man. You will wear it. You find yourself wearing this more than any other shoe in your collection, just because, one, the comfortability, and two, it's a dope shoe. And the colors are beautiful, man. These colors are beautiful. This is a great shoe, man. This is a great shoe. So the Nike Air Presto, I think it's called the Nike Shop. Don't quote me on that, but I'll put the link if I find it. The link in the description. I got these from Snipes, so I'll put that link in the description, and let's move on to the next shoe. So I know we was talking about this on the Jordan channel, but some Jordans and some shoes you just gotta pick up just because of nostalgia. Well, not the nostalgia of it, but the the quality or the look. And it is summer. You do want a low shoe. You, like I said, you don't want a cheap shoe, but you want a quality shoe. It looks also well with different things, and that's what I go for. This is not Like I said, it's quality over quantity. If y'all been noticed the background, we've been downsizing. We've been coming to a place where some shoes are just not needed. So in this case, this is a shoe that's not needed, but it's necessary. And I'm gonna tell you why. Let's get into it. Bam. Bam. You got the Jordan box. If y'all notice, this is either a kid shoe or just a regular ordinary Jordan shoe. But we know what they are. Bam. Bam. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Now, it's a detail in this shoe that I do not care for, and I'm gonna get to it. Let's get to the shoe. Let's get to the colors. What is the colors on these here? Bam, this is a cardinal red and light curry. Bam. Bam, bam, bam. Now, I'm so not a Jordan 1 head. Just uncomfortable to me, period. But I like Jordan 1 lows. They remind me of dunks. They sit in that same realm of a dunk. This shoe right here, this red is dope. But the only one thing I think they should have left off the shoe was the light stitching or the yellow stitching or whatever you want to call that, curry stitching. I think they should have left that off the swoosh. It gives it a pop, but it doesn't. It just doesn't sit right with me on this shoe. Will I wear it? I'll probably rock it 1 or 2 times, probably get rid of it, but it just didn't stand out to me. I think that's what pulled me away from this shoe originally. Because when I originally purchased this shoe, I seen the back tab and I was like, oh, that's cold, that's cold, that's cold. That's something I want, and that's a dope shoe. I did not see the stitching on there, and that's just something I didn't see. So being said, man, this is a dope shoe. If you like Jordan 1s, if you like the lows, this is a great summer shoe. I think these run for like 110. It's a dope shoe, man. Like I said before, it's nothing special to this shoe. The only thing I said is the stitching. But with Jordan 1s, they're trying to get a little different. They're trying to bring something to it, and I understand that, and that's fine. That's just a small detail. If you're wearing, hell, if you wear some jeans, the jeans, the gallery jeans or whatever, just flare at the bottom, you won't even see that. So it is what it is. But it's summertime shorts, hoochie daddy shorts that y'all niggas wearing and all that stuff. You'll see them. Throw you some no shows on or some high socks, and you in there. Yeah. But this your boy Blacked Out Kickz coming at y'all with another video. And hey, do me a favor, stay blessed, be blessed, and always, no matter what, always find a way to get your blessings. Yo, we out.